people.
Hi.
Hi. Good morning, madam. How's your sleep? Grabe pagod?
Good.
Grabe pagod, grabe.
O, diba?
So good. Hindi.
I-click ko, nakabidyo. Hello guys! Madam Tina! Pakita mo din ang magandang vibe. From Dubai. O, diba? Si Madam Busyang. O, ito si Cowgirl. O, diba? Shout out to Abu Dhabi Sport Council. First time Abu Dhabi Sport Council. O, diba? O, frito nila matang. Say.
Ha?
Hala. Malayo ka naman namin. So,
Sabi ko sa Google Map.
na guys, where's my Abu Dhabi Sports Council? Kailangan ipakita si sponsor. We are here na in the Yes Mall. We're eating our breakfast. Madam Busyang, update for today. Good morning, Madam Tina. Good morning. Guys, waiting for the shuttle going to Ikhwan. Excited na ba kayo, girl? Si Madam Tina, excited na Vlogger talaga siya, oh. Madam Busyang, vlogger na vlogger. Ang dating, oh. Are you excited, madam? So this is our first time, guys,
Really,
everything.
Busyang 80%.
Yeah.
I want to bring my bicycle.
So at least nandito si Madam Busyang. Siya kasi ang palagi kong kasama dati kayo sa first concert. Yeah, si Madam Busyang. Ay, before pa ka pala, Madam, may marshmallow pa pala kami. Hindi pa tayo kasama. Kami pa ni Jom at saka yung mga barkada ko sa high school. Hindi pa tayo nag-meet noon. Si Bruno Mars.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, samahan nyo kami. Let's enjoy this.
Yeah! It's
wonderful day.
first time to experience Formula 1.
So see you in our premieres.
Bus, guys. Going to the F1. So this is free, guys, for our ticket. Going to the F1. Now we're in the shuttle. Madam, ang ganda ng camera ng iPhone.
Madam,
No counter is pwede.
Madam, siguro bonito talaga natin pa yung phone niya sa akin. Ay, gwapa, lagi ko direct na pa.
So guys, look at the line. Yeah, asan na yung so in the line? See you. Ticket sales. Where's your ticket, guys? Show me your ticket. Oh sis, yan palang sinabi niya. So guys, we are here na guys. Checking for the ticket. Guys, inside, we are in the hospitalities. Ayan. Hospitality. Thank you, Kitty Pie. Madam, this is the car, madam. Hintayin natin sila si Madam Tina. This is the car they're using for the Formula 1. Welcome to the Paitlin Walk. So guys, we are here na inside. Grabe, ang daming tao. Diyos ko Lord, look at this.
My
Madam Bush.
God.
Dapat pala dito lang ginamit yung
Yes. Yes, we are here na inside, guys. Gamit na gamit yung cup ko. Ay, dapat pala nga din na niyo ang daming tao. Diyos ko Lord. Grabe. See guys, we are here na in the Paitlin. Rolex shout out. Oh my
Oh my God.
at the car. Wow. Kasi na lang natin, walang tayong magawa eh. Hey! You can hear. So guys, grabe ang daming tao. Diyos ko Lord! Sa wakas, nakalabas din kami. O diba, ang daming tao. See? Welcome here in the Payplin. Here in Formula 1. Ang daming tao. Diyos ko Lord. Sila guys! Sa wakas, nakalusot din kami. We are waiting for 1 hour there actually. Ayan, so we are here na guys in the pit lane. O diba?
Ay, ito muna yung shoutout muna sa akin.
See, look at the racing here. Oh my God, grabe. Ang daming tao. See guys, we are here na inside. Before, pangalap ko lang to. Ngayon, natutupad na Madam Bush. Yes, it's wish granted here. Our ticket for tonight, VIP. Wow.
Layo ng kamay mo, dito ka.
See the swims, Auntie Go, see you there. Naka-video talaga ako. So guys, we are here. Wala, babalik na talaga yun. So guys, we are here. Formula 1. Waiting pa kami sa sa car na lalaps for 15 minutes. Si Madam Tina, nandun yung sila sa taas. O, diba?
Ay, Ate Yazalan. Okay.
Yes, welcome here. Abu Dhabi GP. Uy, sabi ni Kitty Pay, marami lang ano po Look at my car.
Guys, we are here waiting the live concert. Madam Tina.
Madam Busya.
But please try your best to get some attention and we'll get it taken care of and we'll get them in and out of here and make sure everybody's okay and safe. That's number one. Other than that, man, have your fun, man, party. I know I will be too, okay? Just be careful, be safe tonight, man. We got a whole large weekend ahead of us and there's a lot of drinking to do, you know what I'm saying? So, this song's called Hammer to the Heart. Help me sing it, please. Okay.